Today's video, I'm going to show you how to use if and else if statements on Google Sheets. This is a Google spreadsheet program. It's a free program. All you really need is a Gmail account, and that's it. Let's get started. So I've just logged onto my Google Sheets here. I'm connected to my Google account, so I'm able to use it on this browser. So let's get started. So let's do a few examples. Let's do if, and if it's something, then it's going to be that, like that. Okay. Prices of these cars, depending on the colors. We'll do that. If A2 is equal to blue, put that in there. $15,000. See if that syntax is correct. Yeah, it's correct. I don't know if we have to put parentheses. Maybe we don't have to put parentheses. So I'm just going to try one example. See if that works. Okay, that doesn't work. We have to put parentheses. Okay, like that. Okay, I got it. All right, so we have color associated with price. So if it's gray, then it's 17,000. If it's blue, it's 15,000. If it's red, it's 16,000. If it's brown, it's 60,000, 16,500. If it's gray, it's 17,000. Okay, we have it. Next, we'll do something called grades. Grades. So we'll have name of the person. I'll put their scores on there. We'll make some grades stuff. If D2 is less than equal to less than 50, if it's less than equal to 59, then it's F. If D2 is less than equal to, let's see what else, F. If less than equal to 69, then it's D. If D2 is less than equal to 79, then it's C. If D2 is less than equal to 89, then it's B. D2 is greater than equal to 90, then it's A. See if all that's correct. 94 is greater than 90, so it's A. 92 is greater than 90, so it's A. 90 is greater than equal to 90, so it's A. 82 is greater than 80, so it's A, B. 72 is greater than 70, so it's C. 64 is greater than 60, therefore it's D. 45 is less than 59, so it's F. So all these conditions check out. That's how you could use if and else if statements. And that's pretty much it. If you have any thoughts or questions, oh, maybe we could look at something else. We could also use numbers as well. Okay, so we're just using numbers here. So obviously, if it's less than 0, 40 is not less than 0, therefore it's positive. Negative 40 is less than 0, therefore it's negative. So that's another example that I use. I think this is pretty much it. It's just very basic tutorial on if and else if functions for Google Sheets. If you have any thoughts or questions, you could leave it in the comment section below, and thank you for watching.